I can't say enough about the water system that we have. In the new building, we added the 400 water recycling, and the water quality is just superb. We've been running with this new system for 6 months, and we have never replaced the first filter. We actually took all 3 CNCs and made them high flow kits. So now we can run high-speed tooling at high-speed rates. We're able to run at the capacity of the machines now, which truly helped our production. Increased our production by probably 20%. We can wash our floor down in seconds instead of hours. The other thing that we added is an actual pit stir. We never have to get into the pit again. Keeps all the solids agitated. We did lower the water level in the pit after about 3 months just to see if we had any solid buildup, and we had no solids. We recycle 100% of our water, 80,000 gallons of water. For us, that's huge because we want to be environmentally friendly. We have a lot cleaner shop, a lot less dust in the air. It was just incredible.